Hey, what's going on, guys? There's another video here showing you all this paint job with a beautiful reflection here. This hood goes on a Silverado. This is a brand new replacement hood. Yes, it's steel. It's not that fiberglass crap. Factory hood for a Silverado, or or a Tahoe, but your GMC products. So it's just been repainted here. As y'all can see here, see the reflection in it. See if I can show y'all underneath. Underneath's all painted. So y'all can see the reflection here. This thing reflects good. As y'all can see there, see the reflection in this paint. And by the way, for those critics out there going to say, oh, well, he's got the door shut. Nope, door is open. So I got a bunch of UV lights reflecting it to make it shine so good. No, that's how you do it right. Yeah, we got a bunch more projects going on. We got radiator support there, fenders over there, cows, bumpers, you name it. We do it all here. Yeah. Later on this afternoon, we'll get this thing installed. Alright guys, well tell me what y'all think in the comments. Let's see, y'all can see the reflection here. Sucker shines good. That's what you want. Yeah, as you can see. There's the arm, there's a reflection, as y'all can see. For those critics out there, there's the reflection. But yeah, y'all tell me what you think in the comments. Y'all hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Y'all have a great day.